In today's video, we will be trying the trending milky donut, okay, in my own way. So I mixed my 1.5 cups of soy milk, a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of yeast, placed it in a warm place for 10 minutes. After that, I've added my 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use your soft flour, you are good to go, or any flour of your choice. Okay, so after that I added my nutmeg, a pinch of salt, and then I added 4 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, I did not add a lot of sugar because of the filling that we will be doing. So I will mix it very well till it becomes so it combines. Okay, then we are good to go. If today is the first time here, this is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. So we are going to knead the dough very well. Okay, please, after watching this video, do not hesitate to follow or subscribe for more videos. They don't take money. Thank you so much for doing it. I trust you. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my videos. I don't take it for granted. So I will knead the dough so it becomes very soft. Now we are done kneading the dough. I will just go ahead and place it in a warm place for just 30 minutes and I will get back to you. We used just 3 tablespoons of butter to knead the dough. Okay, we don't need a lot of butter. Okay, now after 30 minutes, this is how it looks. It looks very soft. I'm just going to take some of the air out and then we cut them into the sizes that we want. So I am going for round shape and I am going to have it in another shape that I prefer. Okay, so cut it into the sizes that you want or you prefer. Yes, so this is the size we are going for. We don't want it big and it shouldn't be small as well. Can you please do me a favor by following me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes? The name is the same. If you want short videos, please follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Okay, and please, you can watch my short videos on YouTube as well. I don't know why today my hands are looking dark some way. As will be our pun. That is just by the way. Maybe I did not position the camera well, so please forgive me. I don't know why the video is looking like that. My hands doesn't look nice to me, but it's okay. So this is the other shape that we are going for. Okay, yes, we are going for. I'm very sure it's because I did the video daytime, because I don't do my videos daytime, so it could be the reason. When I do it daytime, it doesn't look nice. Yeah, so you just mold it to that shape too. You are good to go, just like how we make our tea bread. I love that shape as well. Okay, so after that we are going to leave this in a warm place for an hour. Okay, yes, so you can decide to cover it. That also helps for the dough to rise early. So you cover it, place it in a warm place for an hour, and after an hour we'll go ahead and fry this. This already looks very delicious. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much for your time. I do appreciate it and I don't take it for granted. Okay, when the other side cooks very well, or fry very well, you just flip it to the other side so that you can get a uniform donut. And just look at that, so beautiful, so beautiful. Have you liked this video? If you haven't, please, what are you waiting for? They don't take money. If you like the video, it is not going to subtract anything from you. Please do so for me and I will be very grateful. Okay, thank you so much. Just look at that, so delicious, very delicious. Now we are done with our donut, so we are going to prepare the filling. Okay, I have with me here my whipping cream and I'm just going to add just about a tablespoon of condensed milk. I don't want it very sugary. I don't want it sugary. Okay, and I'm going to tell you my honest review after this. Okay, Yes, and I'll go ahead and add my powdered milk. Okay, that will be about 1/4 cup of powdered milk I added, and then make sure I mix it very well. I'll be adding it later. Okay, so what I noticed about this recipe is that if I'm making it again, I am not going to add condensed milk to my filling. I'll try it again, and when I do it, I'm not going to add condensed milk, because this, oh my goodness, was sugary, very, very, very sugary. Upon all the small or less sugar I used, it was sugary. So you can just pour it here and then you are good to go, but I am going for this. Now I dipped my donuts in the milk powder. This was after so many hours, about 8 hours in the evening. Okay, I did it in the morning and this was in the evening. I just have to create some hole and then put or pour the filling that we did in there. Okay, then we are good to go. Now just look at that, very creamy and delicious, but sugary. Yes, you will love it if you like sugar. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.